The 3-day 20th Nagaland Chess Championship organized by Nagaland Chess Association NCA commenced today, the 30th of July 2024 at the Nagaland Olympic Association Office Complex, Kohima. Altogether 76 players from different parts of the state are participating in the championship. It will conclude on Thursday. The youngest player is 6-year-old Reku Hakam from Paran district. The championship features 3 categories, under 14, under 18 and general category. Khobar Corner brings to you the inaugural program and first round in progress. Kindly subscribe, like and share our channel and continue to remain informed.
We welcome you to the inaugural function, 20th Nagaland State Chess Championship 2024, organized by Nagaland Chess Association, date 30th July 2024, venue Nagaland Olympic Association Office Complex, Kohima. Now I give time for the introductory speech and welcome address to Mr. P. KJ, Vice President NCA.
A very good morning to each one of you. On behalf of the Nagaland Chess Association and myself, it is with great joy and pride that I welcome you all to the 20th Nagaland Chess Championship 2024, a milestone event that celebrates not only the game of chess but also the remarkable achievements of the Nagaland Chess Association. Chess, often hailed as the game of king, is a profound blend of strategy, intellect, and patience. Its origins can be traced back over a millennium to ancient India, where it was known as Chaturanga. Over centuries, chess evolved and spread across the world, becoming a universal game of skill and strategy that transcends cultures and generations. By the 15th century, chess had reached Europe, where it underwent further development and eventually took form we organize today. The importance of chess extends beyond mere entertainment. It is a game that sharpens the mind, enhances cognitive abilities, and promotes critical thinking. Chess teaches valuable life skills such as patience, discipline, and strategic planning. It encourages fair play and sportsmanship, fostering a sense of respect and fellowship among players. Chess is more than a game, it is a mental workout. Studies have shown that playing chess improves memory, problem-solving skills, and even creativity. It challenges the mind to think several moves ahead, considering numerous possibilities and outcomes. This makes chess an excellent tool for teaching young minds how to approach complex problems methodically and strategically. Around the world, chess is revered for its intellectual rigor. It is played in schools, clubs, parks, and online platforms, attracting millions of enthusiasts. International competitions such as the World Chess Championship draw significant attention and are followed by fans globally. Chess transcends language and culture barriers, uniting people in their shared passion for the game. The Nagaland Chess Association has a legacy that we are all immensely proud of. Our players have not only competed but excelled on various platforms. We have the honor of having our champions in the under 2,000 elo rating in national and international levels, a testament to the skill and dedication of our players. Additionally, we have produced more than 50 rated players so far, showcasing their prowess and determination in the game. Our pride extends further with presence of an international arbiter among us, whose expertise and guidance have been invaluable to our association. This achievement underscores the depth of talent and the level of commitment that the Nagaland Chess Association embodies. Chess and NCA, we have no potential to generate income of our own, to organize tournaments and also to run our association. However, the Youth Resource and Sports Department has really given us training aid to help us in our financial matters. For the last few years, we have provided chess coaching classes to some different districts in Nagaland with the help of AICF. And we will continue to give coaching classes to all the districts of Nagaland. This championship features 3 categories: under 14, under 18, and the general category or senior category. These categories reflect our commitment to nurturing young talents and providing a platform for players of all ages to showcase their abilities and compete with the best. With this brief introduction, once again I extend a warm welcome to our special invitees and dignitaries, parents and families. Your presence here today inspires and motivates us. Your support and encouragement are crucial to the growth of chess in our state. A warm welcome to the members of the media. Your coverage helps in inspiring more young minds to take up this beautiful game. A heartfelt welcome to all spectators and all well-wishers. Your enthusiasm and encouragement add vibrancy to this championship. Last but not the least, to our players from different categories, I welcome all with great pride. You are the heart and soul of this championship. Your dedication, hard work, and passion for chess are what make this event truly special. Compete with grace, learn with humility, and let your love for the game shine through. As we embark on this exciting journey of the 20th Nagaland State Chess Championship, let us celebrate not just victories, but also the spirit of the sportsmanship with grace, fellowship, and the shared love for chess. May this competition be a memorable and enriching experience for all. Thank you.
Players meeting Mr. Mahaho Alumin, Honorary Secretary, NCA.
I already tested rules and regulation outside. I hope everyone have seen it. I'm going to play 20 Nagaland State Chess Championship 2024. System of play. The championship will play under the laws of chess and Swiss system. In total 9 rounds. Default time for arriving to the chessboard 15 minutes. Time control. The time control will be 50 minutes plus 20-second increment from the move 1. Appeal committee. Appeal committee member Kimliko Zombo, Malaysia Dahu, Kagaho Kiho, Mingesa Haikam, Mokia Apong, Reserve, Litingsa Samtam, Saibul Kambiri. Mobile phone. Mobile is strictly prohibited, but actually we are not possible to collect all their mobiles. So I request all the players to switch off the mobile and keep on the table. And when they are playing, they are not supposed to take washroom or outside. And even spectators and parents are not allowed inside the mobile. We have 3 days for 9 rounds. So we'll play 3 games today, and tomorrow we'll have 4 games, and after tomorrow 2 games. Actually, tomorrow is some problem will be there because 4 rounds for 1 day. So we can try, and if not, we can make it 8, something like that. If not possible, otherwise we'll try to finish 4 games tomorrow. মোবাইল তো আপোনাক এইটো আনিলে টেবুলতে ৰাখিবি বলবি আপুনি ৱাশৰুম যাইলেবি নহ'লে আউটসাইড যাইলেবি লগ নাপাব আৰু সুইচ অফ কৰিব লাগে আপুনি গ্ৰীণ আইছো গ'লে নহ'লে মেছেজ আইছো গ'লে আপুনি গেম কৰি থাকিব অট'মেটিকলি ধৰণে মোবাইলটো সুইচ অফ পাৱাৰ চেভ নিজৰ লগত আছে আৰু এনে কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে এইটো সুধি ল'বি আমি কথা ক'ব already posted in the outside for players please so please check and whatever correction or some players may not be there please check and inform me. Okay.
As we have all been anticipating, now is the time for declaring the tournament open.
I, on my behalf and on behalf of the Nagaland Chess Association, will now declare the 20th Nagaland State Chess Championship 2024 open. I wish you all the best in all your chess games. Thank you.
It's better to move your head along.
Queen